This is Sean, and this is Craig, two brothers who love to cook. Growing up in London, Craig and Sean were surrounded by the Caribbean food culture. It was their Jamaican grandmother and mother's home-cooked meals that started their passion to cook.
You didn't need an alarm clock when you stayed at grandma's. The food just woke you up. Ackee and saltfish, and every Sunday, spice-filled rice and peas and jerk chicken. There's no point going to takeaways or anything like that because mother and grandma will always cook.
That led to them showing us how to make it, all their secret recipes, how to do it, the process. They literally just introduced that to us.
Growing up, they were taught that food was about sharing and giving back to others. Now they help thousands of people learn how to cook authentic Caribbean food through their online platform, Original Flava.
This young lady was really happy with us and sent us a long message thanking us for all the recipes and all the easy recipes that we were able to showcase. Her boyfriend was able to make the recipes for her.
From big families to single parents to partners that want to have a romantic Friday night meal, we're just so happy that we can help so many people all over the world.
Here's some of the amazing comments and reviews that they have received from just some of their followers. The brothers' online success has seen them gain national and international recognition on TV, radio, and newspaper. Now they want to take things to the next level by launching their first cookbook and set of products. Your pledges will help fund the cookbook production cost and initial line of products they want to bring out.
We can't wait for this new book. We're so excited. We've got so many ideas.
Over 70 authentic and modern Caribbean recipes, all the dishes that you love, and we really, really want to make it happen. We want to make it happen for you guys.
The cookbook will include secret tips and tricks in the kitchen, as well as healthier ingredient alternatives.
So we're really excited about our new line of products. Jerk barbecue sauce to spice up your grills, spice up your meals.
Curry seasoning and that all-purpose seasoning to add that flavour to your food.
And we want you to be a part of this journey, so we need your pledges.
There are also fantastic rewards on offer for every pledge, from thank you signed copies of the book to Caribbean masterclasses learning the most authentic Caribbean recipes with Craig and Sean.
And a percentage from every pledge will help feed underprivileged children in Jamaica. So every pledge counts.